Instant Cash Dash. Hey there, welcome to my Instant Cash Dash review. In this video, we're going to go over the different types of ways they are going to teach you to make money on the internet and the pros and cons of this type of approach. So hopefully this will clear up exactly how this system works as you do your research. Before we dive in, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit, and I've been earning a full-time income online working from home doing affiliate marketing for over 10 years now, which is really cool. So I've seen lots of these different methods come and go in that time, and hopefully all that experience will help you out as you research instant cash dash reviews. If you want to discover my number one system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below. Click the link in the video description below. That's my number one system, a complete done for you system, and it's a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click the link in the video description below for that number one recommended online system. So Instant Cash Dash, the strategy used is actually quite refreshing. It's different to a lot of these software launches that are coming out nowadays, and it's to do with actually doing tasks online for guaranteed payments. So you're almost working as a freelancer, doing tasks on different websites and getting paid a guaranteed fee. So it's not an internet marketing course where you're learning how to drive traffic and promote products, and you only make money when you sell an item. And it's not one of those freelancing offers necessarily where you're not using AI to complete tasks and graphics and sell it on Fiverr. It's slightly different to that. It's more about how to use websites such as paid survey websites, which you complete a simple task or a survey and you get paid a guaranteed income. So other examples of this would be being an online chat moderator, where you're moderating chats and social media accounts for other people. Maybe you're doing one-on-one chats with other people and you're kind of like a freelancer doing that, and you're getting paid to chat to people on the internet. Other guaranteed income sites are pay-to-click sites where you're getting paid to click other people's ads. Other websites, you get paid for your opinion, such as an opinion of a new game or a website or a product, and you can review the item, give your opinion for market research purposes. So there's lots of different ways and tasks you can do something. It takes a couple of minutes of your time and you get paid a guaranteed small fee for that. So you're not earning money by selling items or doing freelance writing or graphics design or anything like that. You're just doing simple tasks that don't require any skills, filling out surveys, giving opinions, completing trials, clicking links, that sort of thing, where doing online chat where you're acting as kind of a freelancer employee, and they'll give you a guaranteed small payment for your time by doing these micro tasks. So that is quite a cool method to learn for people who are new and they're just waiting for their more hands-off internet marketing campaigns and their websites to get going. They can do this as a side hustle on the side and get small amounts of money coming in. This is not going to be a full-time income, highly unlikely to be a full-time income. It's just going to be a bit of extra cash you could earn each month. Whenever you've got free time, you could complete a couple of surveys, offer to check out and review some websites, and give your opinions and complete some simple tasks and get paid money for a bit of extra income. If you do want this to build up to the highest possible amount, you're going to need to be very well organized, have spreadsheets organized, and you're really keeping track of the different websites you're signing up to, how to manage your tasks and make the most efficient use of your time, and just to really be on the ball and almost treat it like a business. Even though you're doing these simple tasks that don't require any skills, if you want to manage your time, you stand a better chance, if you really track it, manage it, get spreadsheets going, of really building this up to at least get closer to a full-time income. But for most people, this is just going to be a bit of fun, a bit of extra cash on the side, but it's not going to be up to full-time income level for most people. And some sites will be better than others. Some paid-to-click sites or paid survey sites, you probably have to invest a lot of time into them. Some of them have hoops you have to jump through to even get paid in the first place. There's often lots of small print, so some websites will be better than others. But Instant Cash Dash does a good way of telling you the best sites to use and how to organize your time to complete tasks across different websites, and how to make the best use of the different paid tasks type websites they are out there. And I like the whole approach to Instant Cash Dash in that it's training, so it's over the shoulder, step-by-step training, showing you the best websites to use to complete these tasks to get instant guaranteed payments. And so there's less guesswork of trying to figure out the best websites, and it's not some software they give you that supposedly instantly makes money. It's not one of those hypey software launches. It's more training on the best strategy used to get involved with these guaranteed payment style websites. So definitely some cool methods to learn about with Instant Cash Dash. For me, what I do for a full-time income, and I've been doing this for well over 10 years now, it's very much focused on traffic generation, list building, and affiliate marketing. And that has worked for me consistently for quite a few years, and it's still going strong nowadays. And that is definitely my preferred way to get those realistic income coming in by working from home. If you want to discover my number one recommended online system right now for that, then click the link below. Click that link in the video description below. That's my number one system, a complete done-for-you system, and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click the link in the video description below for that number one recommended online system. Thanks again for checking out my Instant Cash Dash review. All the best and speak soon.